shear stress is coming into the picture, if you understand how the pressure distribution is coming into the picture, then only shear stress and pressure distribution is responsible for any kind of lift or drag or moment, or combinedly you say aerodynamic forces acting on the object which is flowing in the any liquid. It's like if you have any airfoil, and if the airfoil is flowing in any fluid, suppose this is the fluid here, then because of this fluid, this aerofoil will experience lift or drag or kind of moment. So who is the main cause behind that? Shear stress and pressure distribution. So our main idea is very simple. Everyone is there? Okay, our main idea is very simple. When we have airfoil moving in any flow, or you say reverse, a flow is moving over an airfoil, it will exerts only two things. Nature exerts only two things. First thing, shear stress. Next thing, pressure. And you can say shear stress distribution and pressure distribution. So these two people, shear stress and pressure distribution, their combined effect will be aerodynamic force experienced by this airfoil. Okay, aerodynamic force is nothing but force because of shear stress distribution and pressure stress distribution. So suppose you got your aerodynamic force as R. This is acting in this direction. Okay, now component of this R parallel to the flow direction and perpendicular to the flow, again perpendicular direction to the flow. In this direction, whatever component of this aerodynamic force will come, that is only known as drag. Okay, so in this drag, shear stress distribution is also there and pressure stress distribution is also there. I mean, both are responsible for producing this drag, because this drag is coming because of this aerodynamic force, and this aerodynamic force is the result of these two people, shear stress distribution and pressure stress distribution. So this drag, both are responsible for this drag. In same way, perpendicular component of this aerodynamic force is known as lift. So here I explained how lift is coming and how drag is coming. These two people are nothing but the components in the direction of flow and perpendicular to the direction of flow of aerodynamic force. Who is producing aerodynamic force in nature? Only these two people. Nature acts as aerodynamic force because of two means, right? I hope everyone is understanding this.